Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do an unboxing of the Sony ZV-1. It's known to be the best vlogging camera and I finally got my hands on it, and I'm going to show you guys what comes in the box. And I've already taken out the camera to charge it so that I can show you guys the footage side by side from this camera, which is the Canon M50, and the footage from the ZV-1, and you guys can do the comparison for yourself. So in the box there is the instruction manuals, which is the standard stuff. It also comes with a free SD card, and this is 64 gig. I mean, it's pretty good. And it comes with a dead kitten and its charging cable. I have got spare charging cable, so I did not open this one to use. The only thing I realized about this is it does not come with a charging port, but for the Canon cameras they do provide you with a charging port, so you don't have to like charge the entire camera together with the battery. So I guess I will need to get the charging port separately, which is kind of a bummer, but it's fine. I'm sorry, before I put the footage side by side, I just realized I've not shown you guys how the camera looks like, which is ridiculous. I'm so bad at this. So I got the Sony ZV-1 in the white. I thought the white looks really nice and sexy, and I've got the Canon M50 in the white too, so why not add another one to the collection and make it white. So this is the record button. It's really big, which is really nice, and I'm assuming this is the defocus button to defocus your background, and this is the standard button everybody knows, and it's the mode button and whatnot. And this is how the camera looks like. I really love it. And this is where the battery and the SD card goes, and this is where the charging cable is. So that's that, and I'm assuming the dead cat goes right here, so I think I need to remove this part and put the dead cat there, but I'm not going to use the dead cat right now because I don't usually use the dead cat anyways. And this is the screen. This is how the screen looks like. It's really black, which is kind of nice. I really like this part of the camera the most. I think you can really like grip the camera very securely, which I like. So yeah, this is the ZV-1. Now that I've shown you guys how the camera looks like, I'm going to do the side-by-side footage. Okay, so right now I'm recording on the Canon M50 as well as the Sony ZV-1. I'm going to put the footage side by side. Unfortunately, this camera is on the tripod and I'm holding the ZV-1 using my hands because the other tripod is really short and it wouldn't be fair because the lighting is better here. So I just want to make sure that I'm holding it at the same spot. So you guys be the judge and tell me how the footage looks clarity wise. I can't really see based on the screen because both looks really good, and my hands are starting to hurt holding this camera. But I must say the Sony camera is really light compared to the M50. Of course the M50 is really bulky, but the ZV-1 is really light and I like it. So I'm excited to see the footage side by side. So you guys be the judge and tell me which footage looks better. I cannot tell from here. I probably will only be able to tell when I'm editing. So yeah, I love the Canon N50, and let's see if I love the Sony ZV-1 as much. Another thing I just realized about this camera is that the screen can actually be rotated like 360 degrees like this, and like it's cool. I really like that because, you know, you can take good shots from different angles, and I just realized that you can actually put the screen in this way instead of facing the screen on the outside, so that it actually, you're protecting it from fingerprints and all that stuff. So I really like it. I think it's cool. I'm really excited to edit this video and see how the ZV-1's footage is looking like, and you guys be the judge and tell me which one you prefer. I don't know if I covered everything. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you guys are finding for a new camera, I hope you find this video useful. Just so you guys can differentiate the footage, my previous video was filmed on the Canon G7X Mark II, so you guys can take a look at that video and see the quality of it if you plan on getting that camera, and you can see the difference between these two cameras on this video. So yes, I hope you guys find it useful, and if you guys did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up for this video, subscribe to my channel, it would mean the world to me, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.